The Bajaj Qute Auto Rickshaw is redefining urban transportation in 2025 with its unique blend of efficiency, functionality, and innovation. This compact quadricycle, designed to navigate busy city streets, combines the practicality of an auto rickshaw with the comfort and safety features of a car. It is an ideal choice for those seeking a sustainable and cost-effective commuting solution without compromising on convenience. One of the standout features of the Bajaj Qute is its impressive fuel efficiency, making it an economical option for both personal and commercial use. Powered by a robust yet environmentally friendly engine, the Qute meets stringent emission norms, reducing its environmental impact. The vehicle is available in both petrol and CNG variants, giving users the flexibility to choose according to their needs and preferences. This versatility not only helps reduce running costs but also supports a cleaner, greener future. The Qute's compact design allows it to seamlessly navigate through narrow streets and congested traffic, making it perfect for urban settings. Despite its small size, the vehicle offers ample interior space for passengers and luggage, ensuring a comfortable ride. The ergonomic seating, coupled with modern features like ample ventilation and durable interiors, makes every journey pleasant and hassle-free. Safety has been a priority in the design of the Bajaj Qute. The sturdy body structure, seat belts, and balanced weight distribution enhance stability and minimize risks during travel. The vehicle also comes equipped with essential safety features, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With a top speed limited to a safe range, the Qute offers a controlled and secure driving experience, especially in crowded areas. Maintenance and upkeep are also hassle-free with the Bajaj Qute. The vehicle has been designed with durability in mind, using high-quality materials that ensure longevity. Its straightforward mechanics make repairs simple and cost-effective, which is particularly advantageous for fleet operators and small business owners. Additionally, Bajaj's extensive service network ensures that help is always within reach. The Bajaj Qute isn't just a practical choice, it is also a statement of innovation and forward thinking. Its modern aesthetics, compact proportions, and vibrant color options add a touch of style to everyday commuting. For those looking for a sustainable, affordable, and reliable urban mobility solution in 2025, the Bajaj Qute Auto Rickshaw stands out as a remarkable choice.